sneezing is the worst fucking thing you can do when you got like damaged ribs. Like I actually thought I was gonna pass away. I thought I was gonna like it was crazy painful. Like an alien was gonna burst out of my chest. It was so bad.
Was that last weekend or the weekend before?
Weekend before.
And it's still that bad.
Yeah, because I mean it's common, I guess, or that's like typical. It takes 4 to 6 weeks. So
Damn, man.
yeah, the hot baths help. You know, it's way better than it was, you know, the day of and the day after and that week. The first week was terrible. But if I laugh too hard, if I cough too hard, if I sneeze,
Damn.
I feel like I'm gonna black out.